Introducing the Verdex Portable Evaporative Air Cooler, a powerful, energy-efficient cooling solution designed for large spaces such as warehouses, workshops, and event venues. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and prepare your unit for use. Your unit arrives boxed and will require some assembly. In this scene, you will see a fully assembled unit next to a packaged one. With the unit positioned upright, carefully lift and remove the carton, leaving the cooler safely in place. To access the internal components stored inside for transport, remove the 8 top screws securing the lid to the main body. Gently lift the lid, similar to opening a hinge. It's recommended to have a second person support the lid while removing the stored parts. During packaging and transport, the power cable is stored inside the unit. Carefully pull it through to the exterior. This prevents excess cable remaining inside the unit. Lay the cooler carefully on its side and attach the 4 castors using the supplied screws. Secure with a drill. Once completed, return the unit to an upright position. Take the 2-piece upward air vent that was stored inside the unit. Position both sections on top of the cooler and join them together, preparing them for installation. Secure the air vent assembly to the unit using 6 screws. Then, fasten the curved section using the additional screws to lock both parts together. Position the louvered air outlet at the front of the upward air vent. Secure it with 6 screws, 3 on each side, ensuring it is firmly attached. Neatly coil and plug in the power cable around the built-in hooks on the side of the unit. The water tank can be filled in 2 ways. For manual filling, open the water inlet port and fill the tank using a hose. For automatic filling, connect a water supply hose to the float valve inlet located at the rear of the unit. To empty the tank, simply remove the drain plug located at the base of the unit. The cooler features 8 removable filters. These can be easily lifted out for inspection and cleaning. Regular maintenance helps ensure optimal performance. To operate the unit, turn the control dial to speed level 1 to power it on. If required, press the cold air switch to activate the cooling function. The indicator light will illuminate when it's on. You can then increase airflow by adjusting the dial to speed level 2 and speed level 3 as needed. To turn the unit off, switch off the cooling function and rotate the dial back to 0. Adjust the airflow direction manually up or down using the external vents. For automatic left to right airflow, simply pull the control cord. The unit can be easily moved around large spaces. For added safety, 2 castors feature locking brakes to keep the unit securely in place. Now you are ready to use your Verdex Portable Evaporative Air Cooler whenever you want. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the Verdex team. We're here to help.
Verdex, equipping workplaces.